guys, I am here this morning to introduce you guys to monitoring and clarifying. Those two words we'll use together to help us become better readers. You guys are starting to read longer texts with lots of details, so it's important that we monitor and clarify. So let me tell you about these things. When you monitor, okay, you check to make sure you understand. Okay, you're monitoring yourself when you read. You're asking yourself, did that make sense? And then when you clarify, you look closer to clear things up. So maybe there's something confusing. When you clarify, you clear it up. So, steps to monitor when we're reading. We stop and ask ourselves, is this making sense? And then you can also ask yourself if any part of the story was confusing or if there was some words that you didn't understand. When we're monitoring, we're thinking about our reading. We're thinking about what is being read. To clarify, we're going to go back and reread. We're going to say, ruh-roh, that didn't make sense. I need to go back and try again. We're going to look at the pictures. Maybe there's a clue in the pictures to help us. And lastly, we're going to skip and read ahead. Okay? Sometimes it helps us to go a little further in the story and then come back to make sure that we understand. So this week we're going to be doing a bunch of different things with monitoring and clarifying so that we are becoming the best reader we can be.